GreenFlow cleaning products are revolutionary cleaners based on hydrogen peroxide. Our products are great for cleaning driveways, concrete, brick patios, stucco, wood, glass. You can put it on any surface and it will take off the biofilm that's growing on it.
What sets this product apart from other ones is how effective it is. You apply it to the surface and it works almost immediately.
It's just a two-part mixture. You take your activator, pour it in your gallon of cleaner, put it in a sprayer, and you can go to work within minutes. You mix the chemical and spray it once and that's it.
You just put the product on, let it sit for 15 minutes, rinse it with a garden hose, or you can put it on and leave it there and let the next rain rinse it.
You can see the oxidation occur and then the contamination just run right off.
I'm a University of Georgia graduate with a degree in chemistry. Our products were designed to remove biofilm. When we first started developing these products, our goal was to reduce the cleaning time. We went from several months to several weeks to 15 minutes.
It's the simplest product on the market to use. You can actually visually watch the surface lift from the substrate.
Normally, if it takes you 5 hours to pressure wash your driveway, you can do it in 30 minutes with our product.
This product is great for helping win business. You can confidently take on bigger jobs with smaller teams because it is so effective.
Professionals that would normally use our GreenFlow products would be pressure washers, any kind of crawl space cleanup, pest control operators that want to add additional services to their line.
We're allowed to use this in our waterways, on historic buildings, as opposed to chlorine and pressure washing.
As a supervisor for a construction company, it's really nice to know that you can actually use this product on any kind of home. You don't have to worry about it damaging the areas that you're treating it with.
Honestly, these products can be used in virtually any application. We use this product on docks, crawl spaces, driveways. We use it on roof decks.
I would say a minimum of 50% less time on a job.
It's safe, it's easy to use, and you can use it in applications that you can't use other cleaners.
Try GreenFlow today and see for yourself.